Day, I'm back. This is Jeff Whitney Duell in the heart of the Dogtrot. Well, not the heart, but a strong component, part of the compound of the Dogtrot. If you've been watching AMI films in the past here, I have a show called Life at the Dogtrot, and this is my life here. And I'm sharing it with you on YouTube and trying to make a series out of it, make something interesting. I like doing this, and I'm doing this all off of a cell phone. I don't have any fancy cameras. I'm not a fancy filmmaker. I have studied, in fact I am studying, and I will study over and over again. One particular director that I happen to like, who feeds me knowledge. His name is Weiner Herzog, and he's a German. He's got about 58 films out there, but I'm not trying to compete with anybody in the films. I'm doing this for myself, and it's something that I'm excited about. This piece here you see, let's see if you can see here, way up here. This piece here is part of the Dogtrot, what we're trying to accomplish. And we're about, I would just say we're probably about, I don't know. Always feel I'm falling so far behind all the time. But I do everything step by step. I'm trying to do tables and retrofit old furniture. The retro, which I call Radu, is going a bit slower than I was anticipating. And my tables look to be stepping in back in lead again, because I had a nice sale this last week with a young man north of me, hoping to be possibly working with him in some sort of capacity, in supplying him with some good slabs and keeping some good slabs for me to do tables. My brother and I want to do tables. We also work with another group down in Madisonville. They're a little bit more equipped than us to do it, and a bit younger too. They're 30s, 40s. So I'm turning 66 this year. My brother's 57, so he'll be 58 real soon. And not that we're going in competition, we just like doing our own thing. And working with them too. But I'm focusing more on the wood now, and sale of the wood, because the wood sales fund my projects here. And if I don't have funds, I can't do the stuff. So I don't ask for people to fund me. I don't want donations. I don't want to be a 501c-707 or whatever corporation, non-profit. I just want to be me and my art, and let it be so. So anyways, this is what I'm doing here. Now the shop, which I'll show you here in a bit, is A1. It's a mess again. It's not as bad as it was previous year, but it's a mess. But I think estimating wise, I think that probably by the end of next week, which is I'm shooting for, I'll have this cleaned up and ready to rock and roll. So that's my goal for this next week, is to get this up and going. And it's going to be a lot of work. But I've done it before. I built the building. I've had many things in and out of here. There's a lot of history behind this building. We built this, I guess maybe about 15 years ago. I'll have to check the dates on that, but from the ground up, from clearing the land myself, to hiring the contractors, and buying the building and erecting it and making it what it is today. It's my shop. It just needs to be organized. And I will get to that very soon here, but the projects I have coming are just dynamic. And the only thing lacking in here right now is to actually have good sounds here, internet connected. I've been really enjoying YouTube. But this is not the only building, and if you look, I've done a lot of walkthroughs in the past here. You just have to look at some of my older films. And each one is a project, and I can only do one at a time, or a little here or a little there. But right now it's going to be the shop, because that's can be a very important function for me, and able to fund myself and live the lifestyle that I like. And I do like this lifestyle. Everybody seems to like it. It's quite catching, as they say. Oh, it's a hard work, is what it is. There's no easy road here. I don't even use air conditioning. People say, "Oh, you're a crazy old guy." Well, you know what? I train my body, so I don't need it. You know, it makes me sick every time going in and out, in and out, in and out. And if it's too hot, I go into my cool room, which is where I do my filming and stuff, and I work on films, and I've got a good air circulation going around in there, with a nice soft breeze, and windows that I'll be able to open up this next, this coming summer I will. Because we'll trim some of that ivy back, but we're making a lot of headway right now. It is just fantastic what we're doing here to the property, and I really owe that a lot to my brother, and especially the Queen, Grace. She inspires me sometimes, and sometimes she doesn't. But I've learned to live with it and adjust myself for it, and not be such a hoarder, you know. But I can't help myself. I'm trying. I really am trying. It is the life of a hoarder. And I, Jeffrey Whitney Doole, am a hoarder. And I'm proud of it. But I just like to be an organized hoarder. You know what I mean, folks? So, stay tuned for more about hoarding and being organized at Life at the Dogtrot. Become a follower, please, and buy some wood from me. Thank you. I enjoy selling wood to people, especially meeting them face to face. So, all you people out there, be safe. Have a really good rest of your weekend, or the rest of the week until next Sunday. I bid you a farewell and a good day.